Small habits that saved his life. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Alex didn't think his life was falling apart. That was the scary part. Nothing was wrong, but nothing felt right. Days slipped by, weeks disappeared. Alex felt like he was watching his own life from far away. No energy, no direction, just noise in his head. One night, Alex sat alone and realized something painful. He wasn't moving forward, and he wasn't crashing either. He was stuck. Alex didn't need motivation. He needed a way to survive his days. So he made a rule. No big changes, no pressure, only small habits. So small they felt stupid. The first habit was a timer. 10 minutes. Every day Alex picked one task and worked on it for 10 minutes only. No finishing, no perfection. When the timer ended, he stopped. Some days 10 minutes felt useless. Other days it felt like freedom, because starting was no longer scary. The second habit was silence. 1 hour a day. No phone, no music, no talking, just quiet. At first, Alex hated it. His thoughts were loud, but slowly, the noise settled. The mind learned to breathe again. The third habit was food. Real food. Alex stopped skipping meals, stopped eating late. Nothing fancy, just regular meals, at regular times. His energy slowly returned. His mood softened. The fourth habit was truth. Every night, one honest sentence. Not positive, not fake, just honest. I felt weak today. I felt angry. I felt better. That honesty stopped the pressure to pretend everything was okay. The fifth habit was boundaries. Alex stopped saying yes to everything. He said no to draining people, no to endless scrolling, no to late nights that ruin mornings. That habit was uncomfortable, but powerful. The sixth habit was showing up anyway, even when tired, even when bored, even when nothing felt rewarding. Alex showed up without expecting results. This changed everything, because consistency doesn't need hope. It needs action. The last habit was patience, real patience. Alex stopped asking, "When will this work?" He focused on one day at a time. Some days were heavy, some were light, but he stayed. Months later, Alex noticed something strange. Life wasn't perfect, but it was steady. He could think clearly. He could plan again. He could breathe. Small habits didn't fix his life. They rebuilt it, quietly, slowly, from the inside. If your life feels stuck, don't look for a big answer. Build small systems. Protect your energy. Show up daily. Small habits don't change your life fast. They save it first. And once you're saved, you can grow again. One try more.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and press a bell icon for receiving notification of my new videos.